Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my August favorites. These are products that I was reaching for non-stop over and over. I have some skincare, I have a little bit of lifestyle, and of course we have makeup to make you look the best for the month of August. Well, September technically. So with that said, grab your cafecito and let's get right into it. Up first is one product that I literally use the entire month of August. I don't really talk about like purses or things like that, but if this is something you guys want to see more often, let me know, because I do switch out my purses quite often. Look at this gorgeous bag that I've been carrying not every single day, but I do switch my purses when it suits my outfit. Like, how gorgeous does this look against the black? This is by the brand Teddy Blake, and this is the style Aria in the color cream. I fell in love with these little tassels. I think that's how you call them. I love the color cream because white is like too harsh of a contrast. The best thing, y'all, is that this is all leather, Italian leather. They have an amazing team. This is actually my second Teddy Blake handbag. So if you are like me and you love luxury items, but you are a little bit on a smaller budget, you're not trying to spend over $2,000 for a luxury handbag, Teddy Blake is where it's at. They actually drop collections or new bags every month, so they're always up to date with trends, with colors. I know they're just gonna have the cutest colors for the fall. My favorite thing is that it fits so much in here. Literally, I carry my little makeup bag because hello, she's a makeup girly. I have my wallet in here, which I should get me a matching wallet. I have my keys, which my keys are obnoxiously big. Look at how much. This is ridiculous, but I'm extra. What do you expect? I carry a body spray, which is the Beauty eye drops, and then I always have like random things in my purse because I just like to throw things in here. I'm gonna leave a link. I'm not sure if I can get a coupon for you guys. I don't know if I can. I will try my best. That way I can leave a link for you guys and hopefully give you a discount. If I can't get that for you, definitely check out Teddy Blake, because honestly, you're gonna fall in love with the bags. Oh my gosh, I already have like 2 of them in my cart, and I know I shouldn't because I do not need any more bags, but hello, when they are this cute and the quality is amazing, you cannot turn them down. So shout out to Teddy Blake because they sent me this last month and I have not been able to stop using it. So I had to give her a very well-deserved honorary mention because she's just that girl. She's been that girl for the whole month. I have a few products that, oh my gosh, these are products that I know are going to get me through the fall / winter. That is usually when my skin just like really gets really dry. Now you guys know that I love affordable products. I love finding anything affordable. So all of these products are very like budget friendly. So let's start off with the face wash. Now you're gonna see that I am almost out of this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Do you guys see? Yep. That's how much I've used of this Thayer's pH Balancing Daily Cleanser. This contains a 5% aloe vera. So this is going to keep your skin hydrated, but it's going to cleanse your skin. It's not going to strip it. Your skin is not going to feel tight or dry or anything once you wash your face. This is going to balance all the pH levels on your skin, which is going to give you that beautiful, soft, radiant look once you're done washing your face. So love this. I will definitely repurchase it. Maybe I have at least 2 other active face washes that I'm using right now, so I'm trying to like just finish everything instead of buying new ones. But speaking of dryness, these are products that I heavily rely on now that we're moving to like the colder, chilly weather. I had to include these because honestly, like I could not survive the winter / fall without these products. First up is a serum. Well, I'm going to mention these two together because technically I use them together and I am so close to running out. So both of these are Korean. This is by the brand Purito. This is the Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cream. This is perfect for your face or for somebody that has compromised your skin barrier. If you use too much retinol, if you've been outside too much, if you've been using too many like scrubs on your face, if your face just feels irritated and like it's really mad at you, try this. This is going to revive your skin. And then alongside with that, I use the Purito Wonder Relief Centella Serum. This is perfect for acne prone skin. If you have dry patches, if you have flaky skin, if your skin just feels really dry and like irritated, if you tried out a product and it broke you out, or you just have like an allergic reaction, try this. This is going to calm your skin. It's going to calm the redness. If you have eczema, if you have rosacea, this product is a lifesaver. Not only that, it gives such a beautiful natural glow to the skin. Honestly, these two together are just the perfect match. Like, name a better duo, because I cannot, okay? These two together just go really, really well together. And for, again, the winter slash fall, perfect combination. I had to include this Cicaplast Balm B5 from La Roche-Posay. I have gone through a whole tube of this. If, again, you suffer from extremely dry skin, if your skin is flaky, if you have, you know how sometimes your nose really cracks right here and it gets like really like itchy from how dry it is, try this, okay? It is a balm, okay? So this is going to be very thick. You can use this all over your body. If you have chapped, cracked hands, technically you can use that for, or you can use this for that as well. And with that said, I wanted to mention something that if you are looking for a retinol that is truly going to make a difference, I go back and forth between this and my tretinoin. This is by the brand Obagi Medical. It is the Retinol 1% Soothing Retinol. I honestly don't even know how I got my hands on this. I think I got it in a PR. But this stuff is amazing, okay? If you are wanting a retinol that is truly going to make a difference on your skin, you're going to visibly see less wrinkles. If you want your skin to look a little more firm, a little more bouncy with a natural glow, try retinol before you try tretinoin. Honestly, it's just really good. And because I don't want my skin to be compromised, I don't want my barrier to be irritated, I mix these two together, or I will lay this one down first and then I go with this one on top. But I personally like to mix them, and I still get all the benefits of the tretinoin, or the retinol, sorry, using these two together, because this just kind of keeps my skin calm, and then this just gives me all the anti-aging benefits that I need at 35. So love that. And if you're looking for a really good, soft, creamy, hydrating under eye cream, try this one by Medicube. It is the PDRN Pink Peptide Eye Cream. This one is so good at reviving your under eyes. If you have dry, wrinkly under eyes like me, this product is going to be a life changer. It is creamy, it is smooth, it is velvety. It just brings life back into your under eyes. I don't even know how to describe it. It doesn't get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, I will say that. I honestly don't think like there's really much that I can do besides getting like under eye filler, which absolutely terrifies me. But this will just keep your under eye smooth. So if you have like dry under eyes, try this. For body care, I've been obsessed with the new EOS Shea Butter 24-hour Moisture Creme de Pistachio. Why did I say it like that? Creme de Pistachio lotion, okay? Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. It's similar to their viral one, which is the Cashmere Vanilla. It's my favorite. My daughter owns it, and that's like all she wears. So this one is lightweight, similar to the Cashmere Vanilla, but it has that like rich nuttiness to it. It's very warm. So I think this one, again, transitioning to like fall, perfect lotion. If you know EOS, you know that these lotions are just amazing. I always go back to these and repurchase them when I run out because they're so good. I hope that they make this into their little tubs because I have the vanilla cashmere in the little tub and I love it. But I need this in a tub because the cream de pistachio is amazing. If you haven't tried it, go to Target and smell it. It smells delicious. And I love to pair that with this Santal Bloom by the brand Stalk'r. Oh my gosh. Every time I wear this body spray, y'all, I get so many compliments. I love how this just gives you that very like, I just went to the beach, I sat on the sand, played around, like, you know, just like that very summer breezy scent. This is exactly it, but I also feel like this will transition very well again into the fall because it does have notes of creamy sandalwood, sheer amber, and sensual musk. And I feel like amber and musk is a very fall scent. Am I crazy? I don't know. Again, one of my favorites, and as you can see, I use quite a bit of her. I actually throw her in my purse a lot, and she fits just fine. Like, perfect size. Moving on to makeup, I honestly don't have that much to talk about because I've just kind of been reaching for the same things. So Fenty Beauty, the Stalk'r Island Ting bronzer has been my obsession. I've literally had this for I don't even know how long, and I've ignored her for so long, and then now that I'm using her, I cannot stop using her. I have this as my like transitional shade. She is the perfect transitional shade color. She's the perfect bronzing color. She's the perfect nose contour color. She's just perfection. I love that I can use her for so many things, and the undertones on this is just mwah, perfection. And the creaminess, I don't know, amazing. Okay, so I love this and I cannot stop raving about it. And then for my concealer, you guys know that I recently filmed a get ready with me, like not using foundation or anything video where it's just very natural. The L'Oreal Skin Ink in the shade 140 warm beige. This is the perfect concealer again to transition to fall. If you're wanting something super lightweight, if you're wanting something super lightweight, not heavy, breathable, long wearing, and that looks like your skin but better, this has been the product that I've been using so much on the days that I want to wear almost no makeup, but I still want to look put together. She is my go-to. I love this so much, and she deserves all the hype that she's getting because I've been seeing her on the TikTok and she's cute. We love her. The last thing that I wanted to mention is a setting spray by Hard Candy. Even though I kind of just discovered this maybe last week when I did a full face of Hard Candy. This is the Matte Unlock setting spray. It controls shine, blurs pores, and smooths skin. It gives you that soft focus finish. Totally agree. Keeps my skin nice and matte. Not super dry matte, but just that perfect, soft, breathable matte. And it really does keep my makeup in place. So I'm loving this. Obsessed. Need. Hi guys, future Karina here, and currently dyeing my hair. So I just realized that I did not film myself doing an outro, which I could have sworn I did. I might have just not hit the record button, but anyways, that is the end of today's video. Obviously, I hope you guys enjoyed my August favorites. Let me know what products you're going to be picking up and what your favorites were for the month of August. I will have everything linked in the description box, especially the cute bag, because every girl needs a cute cream bag in their collection. So thank you so much for being here. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.